If you want to change your Facebook region settings, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can update your region quickly and safely in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want Facebook to better match your location, language preferences, or local content settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. All right, let's get started. First, go to Facebook and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. This opens your account menu, where you'll find several options related to your profile and settings. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section contains the tools you need to customize your Facebook experience. After that, go into Language and Region. Facebook places region-related options here, so this is the section you'll want to use for changing location-based preferences. Now look for region settings. Depending on your account layout, it may appear as a specific option inside the Language and Region menu. Click on it to open the available region choices. You should now see a list of regions or countries you can choose from. Next, select your preferred region. Pick the region that best matches the country or area you want Facebook to use for your settings. This can help adjust content preferences and certain localized features. Once you've selected the correct region, double-check your choice before moving on. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. This step confirms your update and applies the new region setting to your account. After saving, Facebook may refresh or return you to the previous page. That's completely normal. To make sure the change worked, you can go back into Language and Region and confirm that your selected region is still showing correctly. If it is, then you've successfully updated your Facebook region settings. And that's it. You've now changed your Facebook region settings in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.